Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to collection in Roblox. It's pretty simple. You just need to follow the steps. First, go to inventory and from here, go to the item that you want to add to your collection. Then click on the item and here you will find a three-dot button. Click on add to profile. Now you can see add it to your profile. When you see this green message, you can now see this item has added to your collection. Also, I'm going to collect another item. Just follow the same process. Click on the three-dot button and click on add to profile, and you can see this item is successfully added to my profile. And when I go to my profile, here you can see in the collections I have just added these two items recently from my inventory, and I can access inventory also from here. And that's how you can add items to your collection in Roblox. It's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.